Good day, dear viewers of my video presentation. I am Amir Yertayev, 10th grader of 24th specialized lyceum named after Mukhtar Aryn. My teacher's name is Mukhtar, and the topic of our presentation is Science and Scientific Phenomena, Model 1 from Action Book. To begin with, let's give a definition to the word science and let's find out what a scientific phenomena is. Science is a knowledge or a system of knowledge that consists of general truth or facts, especially if they are obtained or proved in scientific method or in scientific way. So nowadays, science is a big part of our whole life. We follow three main criteria, three main rules of scientific method in our daily life, even if we don't notice it. These three rules are question, observe, and explore. But let's find out what the first model of the book is. Well, it's about science and scientific phenomena. In this model, student learns about breakthrough technologies and mind-blowing facts and mind-blowing discoveries that changed our whole life. And there is one question. Please answer me this one question. Who do you think when you hear the word genius? Is it Nicholas Copernicus, who was the first one who discovered the heliocentric system, or Aristotle, who is considered to be the first scientist ever known? I associate the word science, the word genius, with Albert Einstein. He was born in Germany in 1879, and as a child he was very interested in mathematics and physics. So, just working as an office clerk, he started to discover some new theories, including this legendary theory about general and specific relativity. The theory of relativity. This theory describes the universal space-time properties of physical bodies. And Newton's theory of mechanics turned out to be correct only within the Earth and less than the speed of light. Yes, we are talking about this legendary formula. In 1921, Einstein won a Nobel Prize for physics. So therefore it made him world famous. And then his career just began to develop at unimaginable speed. And in 1932, he moved to America and eventually he became an American citizen. Intellectual achievements and originality resulted in Einstein becoming a synonym to the word genius. Einsteinium, you can see this on the desk, one of the synthetic elements in the periodic table, was named in Einstein's honor. Until 1998, people thought that the universe is static and there is one universe constant that combines every laws of physics, including gravity or other laws. The creator of this theory is Albert Einstein himself. But in 1998, when after the discovery by Hubble, it turned out that space expanded infinitely. So it means that Albert Einstein was a little wrong. So doesn't it mean that Einstein wasn't genius? No, Albert Einstein is a genius physicist. But the point is that even geniuses could be wrong. This fact, this example itself proves this scientific method, so that we need to question everything, observe and explore. Let's solve this task and match the words with its definition. I'll give you 1 minute. So I think you had enough time to analyze it. The first is observe. Observe is to look at some phenomenon and analyzing it. The second is scientific phenomena. Scientific phenomena is a fact or event that can be observed by scientific method. And the third is theory. Theory is a thought or idea that can prove something or some phenomena. And let's move on second task. We have analyzed the lexical task and it's time to move on the grammar. Open page 15 and exercise 7 on book. We have to rewrite the active sentences in the passive. Why the passive? Passive, the importance of passive voice is any kind of scientific phenomenon was discovered by someone. And so, therefore, passive voice is important part in the grammar of this book. Let's analyze one of the sentences, how to rewrite the sentence on passive voice. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928. What did he discover? Here you need to ask questions. What did he discover? He discovered penicillin. Who discovered penicillin? Discovered penicillin is Alexander Fleming. When? In 1928. So, penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928. Now you have to solve this task by yourself. Dear students, I hope that you completed the task. So, here's the answers, check yourself. So, this is the end of my presentation. Remember these words that I asked you to remember before. It is question, observe, and explore. If you have noticed it, my entire presentation was built in these 3 rules. We questioned everything, we observed it by analyzing the biography of Albert Einstein, and explored the topic by completing lexical and grammar tasks. So thank you for your attention. This is the end of my presentation. I hope that my presentation will be helpful for you in your studies.